Hi, welcome to Saladpuria Satva. Let me give you a brief about our company. So, it was founded in 1986 and we are among the top 10 preferred brands in South India. Among the pan-India presence, we have completed around 20 projects and we have more than 15 ongoing projects in various cities in India like Pune, Hyderabad, Goa, Coimbatore, then Bangalore. We have developed 15 million square feet of area and 15 million square feet of area is under construction. We are into IT parks, then we are into commercial, residential, hospitality, retail, education and aerospace. And we are here to brief about the project Cadenza. So basically Cadenza is a project which is coming up on Kudlu Main Junction and it's a unique project which is it's a unique project concept which separates it from the noise and rush of the city. The entire frontage of the project is aesthetically designed with landscapes and water bodies, which is going to give you a zen-like ambience and stretches to a distance before among the stylish residential zone. The project is spread over 5.8 acres of land where we are coming up with 513 apartments. It offers a different selection of apartments like 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 bedroom, 2 toilet, 3 bedroom, 3 toilet with world-class amenities. The number of floors is spanning from 14 to 22 floors. The area of the apartment is between 703 square feet to 1850 square feet. So let's give you a brief about the location of the project. So it is on Kudlu Main Junction. And it is surrounded by roads from two sides, one from Hosur Main Road side, one side, and the other from the Kudlu Main Road side. So, if coming to the master plan, we are having three main entrances for the project. One from the Hosur Main Road, another one from the Kudlu Main Road, and one more from the HSR layout side. So, if you can see, this is the span of the project what we are having. There are total 8 residential towers coming up here. The first tower is the clubhouse tower where we are having ground floor, first floor and second floor. Then we have 7 residential towers. There are around 35 amenities which are coming up across the project. The best part about the project is a podium which is coming on 3rd floor level, which is connected throughout so people can have a walkway path on that. There is a lot of children play area which is designed on that 3rd floor level. From the main entrance to the first tower, there is a space of close to 500 feet where we will have lot of landscapes, lawns coming up and skating zone we will be having. Then we have basketball court, then we have amphitheater, open air amphitheater, then we have yoga deck, then we are having a jogging and cycling track across the project. Coming to the location aspect of the project is going to have a very good connectivity through metro. It is conveniently located nearby to schools, malls, hospitals, then working spaces. So Electronic City, Whitefield, Sarjapur Road, then Koramangala, they are very nearby. It is approximately 4 kilometers from Silk Board Junction and it is nearby to very good schools and malls like Total Mall, Forum Mall, then good companies like Infosys, Accenture, Wipro. Then it is located nearby to hospitals and posh residential areas like HSR Layout, Koramangala, Sarjapur Road and colleges like Oxford College, then Christ College. All these we are having nearby to the project. So basically it's a right project which is located at the right location and at the right time. Coming to the specifications, what all we are providing inside the apartment. So in the flooring we are giving you vitrified tiles and anti-skid tiles in the toilet and we also giving a shower glass enclosure in the master bedroom and the utility area we are giving inlet and outlet for washing. Giving power backup, individual power backup to every apartment whether it's a 1 BHK, 2 BHK or 3 BHK. Then doors and window frames we are providing. Indoor and outdoor paint will be there. Then electrical connection will be there. Coming to the outdoor amenities, what all we are providing inside the project is like children's play area, kids pool, tot lot, then paddle pool. Then we have a quiet corner for the elderly sitting area. Then we have yoga deck, skating zone, basketball court, swimming pool. The multiple features we have in terms of lawn on podium area and tree court with sitting arrangement. Apart from that, in the indoor amenities, where we have an exclusive tower dedicated to the clubhouse. On the ground floor level, we will have squash court, badminton court, then indoor games we are coming up with. On the first floor level, we have like golf simulator, then double height squash court, viewing gallery we'll be having, then table tennis room we'll be having. On the second floor level, we are going to have the health club area, which will have gymnasium, steam and sauna, then swimming pool. Coming to the floor plans, so this is the first plan for the Calypso block, where we have 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and 3 bedroom, 3 toilet. Then for Celeste, Harmony, Lyric, Raga, Viola, we are having this as a typical floor plan, like 2 BHK, 3 bedroom, 2 toilet, 3 bedroom, 3 toilet. We are having. Then this is the floor plan for the Reed block, where we have 1 BHK. This is a typical unit plan for a 2 BHK, 1183 square feet. This is a typical unit plan for 3 bedroom, 2 toilet, 1564 square feet. Typical unit plan for 1850 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 toilet. And typical unit plan for 1 BHK, which is 703 to 714 square feet. If we talk about Cadenza, the top 5 reasons to buy Cadenza is basically, this project is located in the middle of the IT corridor. It is nearby to Whitefield, it is nearby to Electronic City, and it is just situated in the middle of this corridor. Then proposed metro line is coming up on Hosur Main Road, so which will become a quick access to the CBD areas. Then it is having a well-developed social infrastructure around it, like school, colleges, malls, hospitals and corporate offices. And it is very closely located to residential areas like Koromangala, HSL Layout, Sarjapur Road. So this location is a prime location for anybody who is looking for a convenience living surrounded by the amenities.